Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session V2V Placement Pulse. In today's video, we are going to learn time and work concept. Don't worry guys, I will teach you the whole concept and we'll solve different examples. Definitely guys, at the end of this session, you can able to answer any question from this particular topic. So before starting my session, please let me know, is it clear guys, my voice, video and audio? And kindly share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content or our videos will help your preparation guys. So kindly, if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share this information with your friends also. So we are expecting a little support. Definitely we will come up with more number of videos. So I'm going to cover both quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. First of all, before solving all different examples from time and work, let us understand that what is time and work concept and what are the major parameters you have to consider from this topic. Guys, understand time and work. See, entire topic you should focus on two parameters. One is efficiency. So you have to focus on efficiency. Second one is total work. If you guys are understand how we can take this data from the question, you can able to answer any question from time and work. So I will teach you the basic concept. So later we will solve all the questions from this particular topic. So first of all, please answer this question. Let's take the person A. A can complete the work in 2 days. Guys, here the question. A takes exactly 2 days to finish this work. My question, what is the work he completed per day? What is the per day work? So A takes exactly 2 days to finish the work. Here my question, what is the per day work of that person? Anyone can answer this question? See, here I just want to repeat this statement again. A takes exactly 2 days to finish that work. So, what is the work he completed in per day? So, please let me know in the comments. What is the per day work? Yes, it's 1 by 2. So, guys, understand that first day he has to finish 1 by 2 work, and second day he has to finish 1 by 2 work, and the whole work is completed. Here you should understand this information. 1 stands for total work, and per day work is all about the efficiency. It means most important comparison here, efficiency is inversely proportional to the time. Guys, most important point, remember that whatever that efficiency is always inversely proportional to the time. If A takes 2 days, efficiency of that person is 1 by 2. And the second point you should understand that efficiency of a person, efficiency of a person is constant. So if per day work of each and every person is always constant. Why? Because efficiency is inversely proportional to time. If you maintain that same efficiency for every day, then whole work is completed on time. So is it clear? So most important point you learn from this slide, efficiency is inversely proportional to the time. Now let us understand this question now. Here there is a work. There is a work. A takes exactly 10 days. If there is a work, A can takes exactly 10 days to finish the job. And if I take same work, I am taking different person. B takes exactly 20 days. Guys, A takes exactly 10 days, B takes exactly 20 days to finish the work. Now you guys are tell me who is most efficient in this work? Who is most efficient in this work? A takes exactly 10 days and B take exactly 20 days. So out of these two person, who is most efficient person? Most efficient person in this work? Anyone? Yes, very good, Nana. A is most efficient person in this work. Reason behind this? A complete that work less number of days when compared to the other person. That's why in this work, A is most efficient person. So you should understand that point. If you want to distribute any amount, if you want to distribute amount is always directly proportional to the efficiency. Guys, if you want to distribute any amount is directly proportional to the efficiency. Based on that person work only, we have to distribute the amount. So first point, efficiency is inversely proportional to the time. If you want to distribute amount is also directly proportional to the efficiency. So remember these 2 points. Now let's use the same calculation here. A takes 10 days, B takes 20 days. Here my question, if A and B work together, how many days does it take to complete the work? See, A takes 10 days, B takes 20 days. If A and B work together, so how many days does it take to complete that work? Now, let's go for this basic traditional approach to understand this concept. Per day, per day work. Per day work of A is 1 by 10. Per day work of B is 1 by 20. Now let's see, in per day, if A and B work together, how much work they will going to complete. Let's go through this traditional calculation. A efficiency is 1 by 10. B efficiency is 1 by 20. Now if you want to go for further calculation, then you have to apply the concept of LCM. So let's take the common multiple, 10 and 20. Common multiple is 20 units. Now 10 becomes 20 means it is exactly 2 times. 20 becomes 20 means it is exactly 1 time. It means if A and B work together, they will complete at 3 by 20th of work. Guys, this is all about per day work. Per day, they will complete at 3 by 20th. But my question, then the whole work is completed in how many days? Whole work is completed in how many days? As you are aware of that, per day is all about efficiency. Per day is all about efficiency. If you want, what is the time taken to complete the whole work means time is inversely proportional to the efficiency. Then the time means you have to reverse that fraction. It takes exactly 20 by 3. So 20 by 3 is all about 6 2 by 3 days. Guys, understand the concept here. If I assign for A alone, A takes exactly 10 days, B takes exactly 20 days. If I assign both the persons at a time, they will complete the work in 6 2 by 3 days. Is it clear? Guys, please let me know in the comments. Is it clear? So in this slide, you should observe that we are finding the efficiency. Finally, we are converting efficiency into the time. So that's all about total work. So total work is inversely proportional to the efficiency. Clear? Okay. Now here, the most important thing. You understand that efficiency. So here, you are using one important calculation here. 10 and 20, we are considered 20. So why? Because 20 is the LCM of 10 comma 20. It means you have to understand this concept in time and work concept. Total work is all about LCM of given parameters. See, here A data is given, B data is given. If you want total work is completed depends on the LCM of given numbers. Let me help you out. So let me help you out, guys. See, I will change the whole calculation here. Understand that A takes 10 days, B takes 20 days. Guys, they clearly mention that there is a work, A takes 10 days, B takes 20 days. Now we have to take one reference value as total. See, total work is LCM of given parameters. 10 and 20, LCM is 20. It means now we are assuming that there are 20 units of work. If I assigning for A takes exactly 10 days. A takes exactly 10 days means efficiency of A is 2 units. In the same way, 20 units of work completed by B in 20 days. It means Here efficiency of B is 1 unit. So it indicates the efficiency. Now the question, total work is 20. We are assigning both the persons. If we are assigning both the persons A and B, it takes how much of time? So A and B together, they will completed 3 units. A and B together, they completed 3 units. So they have to complete 30 units, means it takes exactly 6/2 by 3 days. Guys, is it clear this approach? If A and B work together, they will completed that work in 6/2 by 3 days. Is it clear? So point number 1, efficiency is all about per day work. Second point, efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Third, if they are very good at their efficiency, then amount is always directly proportional to efficiency. So these are the 3 points you should understand to solve any questions in record work. So let's start this question. Try to understand this concept. Hope it's clear. Just apply the concept in next couple of examples. Now here the question. See, I will explain question number 1. Listen carefully. Remaining, I will give time. You can solve those questions. A and B can do a work in 12 days and 18 days respectively. They worked together for 4 days, after which B was replaced by C, and the remaining work is completed by A and C in next 4 days. In how many days C alone can complete 50% of same work? Guys, understand that. Data says that there are two persons, A and B. A takes 12 days, B takes 18 days. Let's consider the total work. So total work is LCM of 12, 18. So here let us consider that least common multiple of 12 and 18 is 36. Now 36 units of work completed by A in 12 days. It means if he completed in 12 days, per day efficiency is 3 units. If he completed 3 units per day, then the whole work is completed in 12 days. In the same way, 36 units of work completed by B in 18 days. So here efficiency of B is 2 units. Now we got that efficiency. We are done with the first point. Next, they clearly mention that they worked together for 4 days. Guys, A and B worked together for 4 days. If they work together for 4 days, definitely they will complete a certain number of units according to their efficiency. As we know that A efficiency is 3 units, B efficiency is 2 units. In 4 days, A and B together per day 5 units. In 4 days, they will complete at 20 units. So, AB together for 4 days, they will finish 20 units of work. Next one. So 4 days after, so there is a change after 4 days. B was replaced by C. Guys, here B is replaced by C. It means A is still in the work and B is replaced by C. And they clearly mention that the remaining work, guys, out of 36, they already completed 20 units. And they left with only 16 units of work. Guys, 16 units of work completed by A and C in next 4 days. See, 16 units of work completed by A and C in next 4 days. It means per day AC together, they will completed 4 units. Then the whole work is completed in next 4 days. Then see, here per day efficiency of A and C, per day efficiency of A and C is 4 units. And you already know that A efficiency is 3 units. A efficiency is 3 units. If AC together is 4 units, A is 3 units, definitely C efficiency is 1 unit. Then C efficiency is 1 unit, means he is capable to complete 1 unit per day. But here the question, in how many days C alone can complete 50% of same work? You know that 36 is 100%, 50% means it's just 18 units of work. And these 18 units of work we are assigning C alone. And after the calculation, you understand that C efficiency is 1 unit per day. For 1 unit per day to complete 18 units, C exactly takes 18 days. Hope it's clear the whole explanation. So you have to focus on two parameters. One is total work, second one is efficiency. So is it clear, guys? So is it clear? Please let me know in the comments. Two parameters only. You should focus on efficiency and total work. Let's move on to the next question. So I will give some time. Just try to answer this question. Samir and Punit can complete the same work in 10 days and 15 days respectively. The work was assigned for 4,500. So it's an amount you already know that it's a directly proportional to the efficiency. Now you have to identify their efficiency, then only you can distribute those 4,500. So after working together for 3 days, Samir and Punit involved Ashok. So they took Ashok help also. So the whole work is completed in total 5 days. The work was completed in total 5 days. So what amount was paid to Ashok? Why? Because Ashok completed certain number of units. Definitely his contribution is there. So we have to pay certain amount. So what is the amount we are going to pay for Ashok? Guys, please like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. We will come up with more number of questions in my upcoming live sessions. Now see, here there are two persons, Samir and Punit. Samir take 10 days, Punit take 15 days. LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Samir efficiency is 3 units per day. Punit efficiency is 2 units per day. So the work was assigned for 4,500. So here the total amount is 4,500. After working together for 3 days, it means Samir and Puneet both are worked for 3 days. If both are worked for 3 days, every day both will completed 5 units. In 3 days, they will finish 15 units. Now, after that, Samir and Puneet took help of Ashok also. Then the whole work is completed in 5 days. It means out of 30 units, Samir and Puneet completed 15 units. How many units of work is left? 15. And these 15 units completed by these three people in 2 days only. Why? Because total work is completed 5 days means S and P both are work for 3 days and remaining three people are work for 2 days. It means in per day they will completed 7.5 units per day. Let's take the efficiency. S efficiency is 3 units, P efficiency is 2 units, A efficiency is 2.5 units. Then the total contribution of every day is 7.5 units. Another question. So let's take the total contribution of S, P, A. As you know that S worked for 5 days. Why? Because here there are 3 days and here we have 2 days, right? So total Samir worked for 5 days. According to his contribution, 5 into 3, he will completed 15 units. And Punit is also 5 days. Contribution is 2 units. It's exactly 10 units. So 15, 10, so 25 total work is only 30 units. It means A's contribution is 5 units. Here the respect to ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. So we got their efficiency. So you know that efficiency is directly proportional to the amount. It means in this ratio you should understand that if the total amount is 6 units, how you got 6 units means 3 plus 2 plus 1. If total amount is 6 units, we have to pay 3 units for Samir, 2 units for Puneet, 1 unit for Ashok. But we have 4,500. If 6 units is exactly equal to 4,500, then each unit value. So each unit value is exactly equal to 750 rupees. 6 sevens 42. So we have 30, 6 fives 30 and 0. So each unit is 750. Here the question, how much we are going to pay for Ashok? Ashok, we are paying only one unit value is 750. For example, if your question is Punit, 2 into 750 is 1500 is contribution. If you want for Samir, 3 into 750 is 2250 rupees. But according to the question, we are going to pay only 750 rupees to the Ashok. Choose your answer is C. Punit is 1500, Nana. Very good, Nana Shravya. It's a 750 rupees we are going to pay for Ashok. Very good. Now try to answer this question. A can do 20% of work in 4 days. B can do 33.33% of work in 10 days. If they worked together for 9 days and C completed the remaining work in 6 days, BC together will complete 75% of same work. So in this question, you have to identify the efficiency of C. Now see, if A takes 20% of work in 4 days, means 100% of work it takes exactly 20 days. 20% means 1 by 5, 1/5 of work in 4 days, then full work is 20 days. So B finishes 33.33. 33.33 fraction value is 1 by 3. So 1/3 of work B takes exactly 10 days. For full work, it takes exactly 30 days. Now, let's go through that. What is the total work? LCM of 20 and 30 is 60. Here, A efficiency is 60 units of work completed by A in 20 days. Efficiency is 3 units. 60 units of work completed by B in 30 days. Here, B efficiency is 2 units. And they clearly mention that they worked for 9 days and A and B worked for 9 days. And everyday efficiency is 5 units AB together. In 9 days, they will completed 45 units. After 9 days, how much work is left? So 15 units of work is left. 60 minus 45 is 15. 15 units of work is left. And C complete these 15 units. C completed 15 units of work in 6 days. So what about the C efficiency? If C takes exactly 6 days to complete 15 units of work, so what about the per day contribution? Now, per day contribution here, see, this is exactly 2.5 units. Here, C efficiency is 2.5 units. Here the question, BC together will completed 75% of same work. 75% means 3/4 of total work is 60, and we are assigning these work for B and C. Let's go through this efficiency. B efficiency is 2 units, and you already calculated C efficiency is 2.5. Then the total value is 4.5. 4.5 is all about 9 divided by 2. Let's go for the further calculation. So this is exactly 15 times. 3 exactly 3 times. 3 exactly 5 times. 2 goes in the numerator. 5 into 2 exactly 10 days. So B and C can complete 75% of work in 10 days. So clear? Yes. Move on to the next question. Very good, Nana. Raji, Bhavani, very good. So try to solve the next question. Now let's see this question. Rahman can do the work in 20 and 25 days respectively. After doing the work collectively for 10 days, they leave the work due to illness, and Suresh completed rest of the work in 3 days. How many days Suresh alone will take to complete the whole work? They are talking about entire work. Then the whole work is completed in how many days? Ramesh, Rahman. Ramesh takes 20 days. Rahman takes 25 days. Yet the total work LCM of 20 and 25 is 100 units. Ramesh efficiency is 5 units per day. Rahman efficiency is 4 units per day. So that's all about their efficiency. And they clearly mentioned that they worked for 10 days. So if they work for 10 days, every day they will completed 9 units. In 10 days, they will completed 90 units of work. So what about the remaining? Now out of 100 units, 90 units already completed Ramesh and Rahman together for 9 days. So what is the remaining work? 10. And these 10 units of work completed. Why? Because those two people are completely replaced with the Suresh only. And Suresh takes exactly 10 days. So in 3 days, Suresh completed 10 units. So what about their efficiency? 10 by 3 units. So this is efficiency. Let's take into the fractions. Now, how many days Suresh alone can complete the whole work? And we are targeting 100 units. We are assigning only Suresh. Suresh efficiency is 10 by 3. Just go through the calculation. So just Suresh takes 30 days to complete the whole work. So Suresh required 30 days to finish this job. Next. Go for the next question. Guys, I will update this PDF after my live session. If you want this PDF, you can download from my Telegram channel. Search V2VVK. You can get my channel name, Vision to Victory. And you can follow me in the Instagram page or I have a WhatsApp channel also. You just follow it. So I will update your career related options. If you have any opportunities in future, I will update everything in Telegram and Instagram and WhatsApp channel only, guys. All the links are available in the description. You can check the description also. If you have any queries related to your preparation or career, you can feel free to reach us. Definitely, we will guide you guys. Now let's move on to the next question. John does off piece of work in 3 days. Means John takes exactly 6 hours to finish the whole work. So there is another person, Joy. Joy takes one fourth of the remaining work. Okay, it's a different statement. Guys, here the data says that John take off piece of work in 3 hours. Off piece of work in 3 hours. For a full work, it takes exactly 6 hours. Next one, Joy one fourth of the remaining, guys. John already completed half of the work, and Joy does one fourth of the remaining work. One fourth of the remaining work means it's a 1/8 of work. Remember this point. So Joy completed 1/8 of the work in 1 hour. 1 hour. It means Joy takes exactly 8 hours to finish the entire job. And George finishes the remaining work. Guys, half of the work is completed. Joy completed 1/8 of work. Let's calculate it how much work they are still not completed. Here 8 units, 4 plus 1. So 5/8 of work already completed by John and Joy. So what about the remaining work? Remaining work is equal to 1 minus 5/8. 1 minus 5/8 is 3/8. So these 3/8 of work completed by George in 5 hours. It means George take exactly 40/3 hours. So this is the data we have. Let's go for the data again. John 6 hours, Joy 8 hours, and finally we have George 40/3 hours. Now let's go through these numerator values 6, 8, 40. So LCM here exactly equal to 120. Now here John efficiency is 20 units, Joy efficiency is 15 units, and George efficiency 40 becomes 120 is 3 times, and we have denominator 3 goes for numerator, it becomes 9. So 120 divided by 40/3. This is the way you have to find the efficiency. Let's go for 3 times 3 into 3 is 9. So we got that efficiency. Another question, how long would have taken 3 working together to complete the work? See, total is 120 units of work. Now we are assigning A, B, C. It means we are assigning John, Joy, and George. So if they work together, they will completed 44 units. 35 plus 9 is 44. Let's go through the cancellation. 4 exactly 11 times, 4 exactly 30 times. 30/11 means it exactly 2 times. 11 into 2 is 22. Remainder is 8/11. So answer 2 8/11 hours. D is the correct answer. Manushri, very good. Option D, Razi, Sivasai. Very good one. Keep going. So try to answer. Hope you understand this concept. This is one of the important model for any competitive examination. You can expect this kind of models, guys. See, every time we are focused on two parameters only. One is efficiency, second one is total work. And total work is completely based on LCM of given comparison. And this one is a different data. Guys, understand that in this information we have to consider different parameters. Like see, eh, can anyone tell me that if two men can complete the work in 3 days, let's go for 4 days. If two men can complete the work in 4 days, one man can complete the same work in how many days? Can anyone please? Two men can complete the work in 4 days. One man can complete the same work in how many days? Two men can complete the work in 4 days. One man can complete the same work in how many days? Very good, Nana. So here one man can complete the work in 8 days. Why? Because see, here the total work. So total work is depends on number of persons is multiplied with the number of days. So two men can complete the work in 4 days, then the total work is 8 units. So 8 units can completed one man in 8 days. So remember that here the total work is how many persons are working, how many number of days. Total work. Total work is equal to number of persons are multiplied with the number of days. Now try to answer this question. So here 16 men, we don't know the efficiency, but total there are 16 men can finish the work in 8 days. 8 men and 9 women work together can finish the same work in 10 days. Guys, they're talking about same work. Initially, 16 men, they will complete the work in 8 days. So here the total work is 16 m into 8. Now here 8 men, 9 women work together, they will finish in 10 days and they clearly mention that work is same. Guys, this is total work. This is also total work and they clearly mention that work is same. Let's go through the calculation. This is exactly 4 times. This is exactly 5 times. So 16 is multiplied with the 4 is 64 times of m is equal to 40m plus 45w. Let's go for the further simplification here. 14m. So 14m, sorry, 24m. 24m is equal to 45w. So here 3 15 times 3 8 times. So we got the efficiency of m by w. M by w is 15 by 8. It means for men efficiency is he can complete it 15 units per day. Women can complete it 8 units per day. Let's focus on the total work. You can take any one of the equation. I am taking it here. Here the total work 16, men efficiency is 15 and they complete the work in 8 days. That is total work. Now this total work we are assigning for 20 women. So here 20 women. So what is the women efficiency? 8 units per day. It takes how much of time? 8 cancel. 4 4 times, 4 5 times, 5 3 times. So 4 into 3 it takes exactly 12 days. So this one is different concept. Clear? Here the total work is depends on number of person and number of days. If you are multiply together, you will get total work. See, every time you have to focus efficiency and total work. And there are two different ways to calculate the total work. First one, in a given comparison, use the concept of LCM. In another model, you have to focus how many people are working, how many days. Sometimes you have to maybe they given number of hours also. If they given as hours, you just multiply. Persons is multiplied with the days is multiplied with the hours. Try to answer this question. Now see, the laborers ABC were given a contract for 750 for doing a certain piece of work. If all are work together, they will finish the work in 8 days. If ABC together, they will complete the work in 8 days. AC together, AC together can complete the work in 12 days. AB together, they will complete the work in 13. 1 by 3 is all about 40 by 3 days. First, identify the total work. Total work is LCM of numerator value 8, 12, 40. Exactly 120. ABC together, they are efficient and they will complete it 15 units per day. Then only whole work is completed in 8 days. AC efficiency is 10 units. AB efficiency is, see, 120 divided by 40 by 3. Once you understand that, no need to write that step. Directly take 9 units. Guys, understand that A plus B plus C is completed. It takes only 15. See, their contribution is 15 units per day. And you know that A and C, what is the AC efficiency? AC efficiency is 10 units. Then we can conclude that B efficiency is 5 units. See, ABC together is 15, AC together is 10. We can conclude that B efficiency is 5 units per day. Next one. We have a data AB together, AB together for 9 days. A plus B plus C efficiency is 15, AB is 9, then C efficiency is 6 units. So what about A? As you are aware of that, A plus B plus C is 15, B 5, C 6, total 11 units already completed. So remaining 4 units completed by A. So now you got the individual efficiency. A per day efficiency is 4 units, B 5, C 6. Another question, the money will be divided. See guys, I told you money is always directly proportional to their efficiency. So the money must be divided in the ratio of 4 is to 5 is to 6 is. Yes, very good Nana. Razi, Joshna, Durga Bhavani, Manushri. Very good. Hope you understand that efficiency is always directly proportional to the money. So 3 points. Efficiency is all about per day work. Efficiency is inversely proportional to the time, and efficiency is directly proportional to the amount. So I'll try to answer this question. Now see, A can complete the work in 30 days. B completed 25%. See, B is 25% is more efficient than A, and C is 20% is more efficient than B. Then the whole work is, see, they all work together for 3 days. B will complete the remaining work. Guys, first of all, 25% is. 25% is all about 25 by 100 is 1 by 4. 20% is all about 1 by 5. First, we will identify the efficiency ratio. Efficiency. Efficiency. Now, B is 25% is more efficient than A. Guys, in 25% is 1 by 4. Denominator is all about comparison, guys. Means B's value is compared with A. Now, let us consider that this denominator value is A. So, A is 4 units. And B clearly mentioned that 1 unit more. Numerator is all about 1 unit more. 1 by 4th. 1 by 4 of 4 is 1 unit, right? So if A is 4 units, B is exactly 5 units. Now you got AB value. Now C is 20% is more. Again, if you compare C's data with B, again 1 by 5 is more. And if B is 5, again C is 1 unit more. So C efficiency is 6. Now let's find the total. And we have first information. A can complete certain work in 30 days. And you know that A efficiency is 4 units. A per day work is 4 units. A takes 30 days. It means then the total work is exactly equal to 120 units. 120 units is total. Now ABC work together. Now ABC work together. So how many days? 3 days. You already know that ABC work together, they will complete it 15 units per day according to their efficiency. In 3 days they will finish exactly 45 units. They will finish exactly 45 units. Now how much remaining work is left? Now see how much remaining work is left. Exactly 75 units of work is left. Now these 75 units of work we are assigning for B. So we know that B efficiency is 5 units per day. For 75 units it takes exactly 15 days. So B will completed remaining work in 15 days. Yes, very good. Nana. Joshna, Raji, Anusha, very good. B will finish remaining work in 15 days. Very good. Next one. Guys, this is for you. Try to answer this question and post your answer in the comment section. Now, after my live session, don't leave this question. So if you understand the concept, go through this one, solve it, and post your answer in the comment section. So we are moving to the next question. Next. Now let's see this question. 3 men, 4 women, 6 boys together can complete the work in 6 days. See what is the total work? In the total work, we have 3 men, 4 women, and 6 boys. If they work together, they will finish the work in 6 days. So that's the total work. So let's focus on this data. They're given as efficiency. Woman, man, boy. Woman does triple the work a man does. So let us take that. If man is 2, woman is 3 times. So woman is 3 times. So here the ratio is 3 is to 1. And guys, again they're talking about woman. Woman, oh sorry. Okay, woman does triple the work a man does, and a boy does half of the work of a man. Guys, half of the men. See, if men take one, boy take exactly half of that work. It means here the respect to ratio is 6 is to 2 is to 1. Another question, how many women alone will be to complete this work in 4 days? Guys, here the question first, identify the total work. What is the total work? 3 into men value is 2 units efficiency. 4 into women efficiency is 6 units. Boy efficiency is 1 unit. And all are together, they will finish the work in 6 days. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 1 is 6. So total 36 into 6. So this is total work. And these total work we are assigning. So how many women we require? These people will complete the work in 4 days. Guys, we have to identify that efficiency of each woman is 6 units and they will finish 4 days. How many women it required? So 6 6 cancel, 4 exactly 9 times. We require 9 women to complete this work on exactly 4 days. Next one. Now see, the ratio of efficiency The ratio of efficiency of ABC is 3 is to 5 is to 1. Working together, they will complete the piece of work in 5 days. Guys, if they're working together, they will complete the work in 5 days. So, if per day work of ABC is 9 units, they work for 5 days, then the total work is equal to 45 units. Total work. So total work is 45 units. Okay. If AB work together for 3 days, AB work together for 3 days. Here AB efficiency is 8 units per day. AB together they will finish 24 units. Out of 45, 24 units are completed by A and B. So how many units are left? 21 units are left. And these 21 units completed by C alone, it takes how much of time? As you know that C efficiency is 1 unit per day. Means he is efficient to do only 1 unit per day. For 21 units, it takes exactly 21 days. Next. Now see, to do a certain work, A and B together on alternative days, beginning with B, and B starts from day 1. A can finish the whole work alone is 48 days. If the work gets completed in 11 days. If B alone can finish 4 times the same work. Guys, 11 1 by 3. This is not 11 days, 11 1 by 3 days. Now guys, here the data clearly mentioned that they are working on alternative days. See, here day 1 starts B. Guys, B starts the work, then second day A. B and A. It means every odd day B, even day A. And data clearly mentioned that then the total work is completed in 11 1 by 3 days. 11 1 by 3 days means 11 days are completed. 11 days are completed means here B, see in 11 days, B works for 6 days and A works for 5 days. Hope it's clear. In 11 days, B worked for 6 days, A works for 5 days. And they clearly mention that work is completed in 11 1 by 3 days. So definitely 12th day we have to assign A. But A does not take the entire day. A completed exactly 1/3 of day. Means out of 11 1 by 3, B works for 6 days, A works for 5 1 by 3 days. It means 16 by 3 days. Now, what about the efficiency? We know that A can finish the work in 48 days. What is the efficiency? Efficiency of A is 1 by 48. Why? Because we don't have any other comparison. Consider this fraction. A efficiency is 1 by 48 and A works for 16 by 3 days. Guys, efficiency days. What about the total work? 16 by 3 into 1 by 48. So this is exactly 1 by 9. It means A completed 1 by 9th of work. A completed 1 by 9th of work. Then B can completed the remaining work, right? So remaining work is 8 by 9. So for the entire work, A's contribution is 1 by 9. B's contribution is 8 by 9. So these 8 by 9 units of work completed B in 6 days. B in 6 days. Is it clear? B in 6 days. But here the question, B alone can finish 4 times the same work. 4 times the same work in how many days? So 4 times, guys. 4 times of that work means reverse this fraction, 9 by 8 into 6. So this is exactly 2 times. This is exactly 3 times. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Why? Because this is all about the efficiency, and that's why we reverse it. Why? Because total work is inversely proportional to the efficiency. Very good, Anastravia. 27 days. 27 days is the correct answer. So we have a 3 more models here. See the next question. A, B, C can complete the work in 10 days, 12 days, 15 days, respectively. If all three of them start together, but after 2 days, A leaves the job. Okay, guys, here the total efficiency is, sorry, total work is 60 units. A efficiency, 6 units per day. B efficiency, 5 units per day. C efficiency, 4 units per day. We got that efficiency. Guys, understand this statement. All three of them start together. A, B, C start together. But after 2 days, guys, you have to pause here. After 2 days means ABC already worked for 2 days. Definitely, they will completed certain number of units out of 60. You know that efficiency of ABC is 15 units. In 2 days, they will finish 30 units. So in those 2 days, already 30 units of work is completed. Now you can continue that. After 2 days, A leaves the job, guys. After 2 days, A leaves the job. Now, who are continue that job? B and C continue the job. And one more statement we have. See, B left, see, A leaves the job and B left the job 3 days before complete of the work. Guys, in 3 days before completion, B left the work. It means in last 3 days. We don't know that BC worked for how many days. We have one more information. C worked for last 3 days, then the whole work is completed. It means according to his efficiency, C efficient is 4 units per day. In last 3 days, they will C completed 12 units. C completed 12 units. Now, what about the remaining work? Why? Because in last 3 days, C completed 12 units, then the whole work is completed. It means remaining 18 units completed by B and C. Then only C can completed remaining work in 3 days. Now BC efficiency is 9 units per day. So for 18 units, they will complete it in 2 days. Now the question, in how many days whole work is completed? Now see, here 2 days, BC 2 days, C 3 days, 2 plus 2 plus 3. Then the whole work is completed in 7 days. Understand, guys? First, all are together, they work good for 2 days. So definitely they will complete a certain number of units. According to their efficiency, out of 60, in 2 days they will completed 30 units. So A left the work, now BC are in the work. But according to the data, we are not sure BC worked for how many days. And we have one more data says that B left the work 3 days before completion of work. Means in 3 days, if the work is completed, he left the job. It means in last 3 days, C completed that work. According to C efficiency, in 3 days, C will completed 12 units. It means remaining 8 units already completed by B and C. And BC efficiency is 9 units per day. For 18 units, it takes only 2 days. Then the whole work is completed in 7 days. Guys, same. So ABC can complete the work in 20, 24, 30 days respectively. All three of them start together, but after 4 days, A leaves the job. B left the job 6 days before completion of the work. And C completed the remaining work alone. In how many days the whole work is completed? Same model. If you understand the previous one, you can able to solve this question. Try to solve after my live session. Yes. So yeah. So this one is the last question. Guys, hope you like our video. If you like our video, please share this information with your friends who are preparing for the different examinations. Definitely our content will help your preparation, guys. So your support is much needed. So if you are supporting our channel, so that will be give more energy to create more content on quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. Whatever the upcoming examinations you have, definitely we will help you from our side, guys. If you have any questions, you can reach me through Instagram or Telegram or WhatsApp channel, guys. All the links are available in the description. Just go through the description and follow us. Now let's see this question. Sandy and Mandy do 8 by 13th of work and rest of the work is completed by Andy. Sandy, Mandy can completed 8 by 13th of work and remaining work is completed by Andy. See, 8 by 13 means remaining work is 5 by 13. So how you got 5 by 13 means 1 minus 8 by 13. That's it. Now, if Sandy, Mandy, Andy take same work for 2600. Now, what is the respect to ratio of S plus M A? Guys, we don't know the individual efficiency of S and M, but together their efficiency is 8 units, A efficiency is 5 units. It means if they have 13 units, how you got 13 units means 8 plus 5. If they have 13 units, we have to pay 8 units Sandy and Mandy, we have to pay 5 units for Andy. But the total amount we are going to distribute is 2600. If 13 units is 2600, each unit is exactly equal to 200. Another question, what is the amount we are going to pay for Andy? So 5 into 200 is 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees is the correct question, correct one. Very good, Nana. Sarath, Manushree, Bhavani. Very good. Guys, hope you understand the time and work. So try to solve few more examples. So you can pick all the questions from the internet. So basic understanding from this topic. Focus on efficiency. Focus on total work. If you are able to recognize those two information from the given question, you can able to answer any question, irrespective of any examination, guys. Still, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us. We are always there for you. Definitely, we will help you in your career, guys. So that's it from today's session. Don't forget to subscribe and share this information with your friends. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.